In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror cards to your inbox in Trello. Mirroring cards can be an incredibly useful tool for keeping track of important tasks or projects, as it allows you to have a live update of all changes directly in a designated inbox. This feature is especially beneficial if you're managing multiple boards and want to consolidate updates in one place for easier tracking. Let's dive straight into the process. First, navigate to your Trello board and locate the card you'd like to mirror. This could be any card containing information or tasks that you want to be kept updated on, even when you're not directly viewing this specific board. Once you've found the card, move your cursor and right-click on it. This will unveil a drop-down menu with several options. Here, you'll want to look out for the one labeled Mirror. Selecting this will allow you to create a mirrored version of your card. After choosing the Mirror option, you'll be prompted to select where you want this card to be mirrored. Since we're focusing on getting these updates directly into an inbox for easy access, go ahead and select your inbox. This means whenever there's activity on the original card, your inbox will receive a real-time reflection of these changes. Now, with your inbox selected, simply click the Mirror button. Just like that, you've set up the mirrored card. What's remarkable about this feature is its ability to automatically sync changes. So any adjustments, whether it's new comments, checklists, or modifications to the card, will instantly reflect in your mirrored card within the inbox. This ensures you're always up to date without hopping back and forth between different boards, allowing you to focus more on getting things done. And just like that, you've successfully set up a mirrored card in Trello. This straightforward process of mirroring is all it takes to streamline updates and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. Whether you're managing a personal project or collaborating within a team, having mirrored cards in your inbox simplifies your workflow by centralizing the updates from multiple boards. In closing, remember that by using the mirror functionality, you keep all necessary project updates at your fingertips, enhancing your ability to stay organized and on top of your tasks. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out, and I'll be more than happy to assist. Stay tuned for more productivity tips and tricks in our upcoming videos. Enjoy using Trello to its full potential and have a wonderful day.